So today we're going to take a look at a special thing you can do. I know we've been following along with all the different landing and squeeze pages we can build. Before we do anything else, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so for the channel. It helps us grow. The other thing we can do here is we can do some automatic posting and schedule out your stuff for the whole month. So we'll get into this and show you how this works. So we're at your Lofty, you're on marketing. On the left, you're going to scroll down, you're going to go to Social Studios. So what this Social Studios does, like I mentioned before, we're going to talk about how to schedule it out and get your whole month set. Before we do that, and the way you start using it, you need to go to the top right under the settings button and go to manage profiles. And here are the 6 accounts that you can link. You know, there's no TikTok yet. I think they might be working on that. Hopefully we get that soon. But these are the other 6 social medias that you can post automatically to. Now, if you look underneath it, like Jennifer, if she's nice enough to let me use her account, these 5 she already has connected. So we can instantly post to all 5 of these places at the same time. But first, you have to just click add. You can only add 1 account. So if you have 2 business pages, unless you're paying for the upgrade, you can only add 1 business page. So again, down here at the bottom under connected social profiles, you can check and see what's been added, and then you can remove any you don't want and add different ones. So once you have them added and they're ready to go, and you see them here loaded up, back left, the back button, and then you're going to be back here. So the easy way to do it, you can just go to the top and create a post, and it's going to load up. Don't worry about the AI unless you want them to help you create a post. The easiest way you can look at is looking at these 5 buttons here at the bottom. So as you can see, the first one, of course, is an emoji button. You can put in some different emojis. The second one lets you upload your own images if you wanted to upload your own image, and you can build a post around that. I'll show you an easier way to do that. Third button here, where you can see here where I click, this lets you use a listing. So if you can pick any listing you want, I'm just going to randomly pick this one, for example. And then, of course, you have to make sure it's your company listings, you have permission. And then it will show you the listings right here. And now we have images with a link, which is a single property squeeze page, to those listings. Now, of course, this one just is very simple. You can change this wording. Check out this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, whatever you want. And then right here, see these 4 different places? It would look just like this at these 4 places for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. Now remember, as it says right here, for your Google My Business, it keeps it at 1 post, 1 picture. So you wouldn't be able to post multiple pictures in your Google My Business like you can on LinkedIn and Facebook. And it does do the Instagram as the 1 picture as well. And then all you would do is change the wording if you wanted to. And then once you have the wording set up however you like it, and now you can see, of course, your YouTube didn't show because it's not a video. If you had a video, you could get YouTube to show part of the video too. And then you would upload a video. And then you're good that way. And then you would just post it. Either post now or edit or whatever. Like it's saying right here, it won't let you do Google My Business. So if I uncheck the Google My Business, then it lets me do the post. So again, I'll show you what I did. I had Google My Business highlighted up here at the top, because these are all highlighted, the ones they're going to go to. And it's giving me this error. It says Google My Business image only can have 1. So that way you have to be careful that you don't put more than 1. And of course, there's 4 here, and I don't want only 1 image. It's better, as you can see down here, if you have more than 1 picture for people to look at. So I'm going to just turn off this Google My Business, and then I can post it. Now, if I don't want to post this second, I can just hit edit, and then I can go up here, change the time and the date, and I can schedule my post that way. And then I just hit apply, and I can schedule out my post for the whole month or whatever I want to do. So I recommend thinking ahead. Like Monday can be Motivational Monday. Find something cute. It doesn't have to be a home. You can do your own. I'll show you in a minute how to do your own type of post. And then you can do that for Social Studios. Tuesday could be new listings. Wednesday could be how to get, sellers, homes for sale in the Northeast. All those different landing and squeeze pages we've done in the last couple of videos, you use them to post weekly and do different areas. You always want to rotate through different things in different areas, so you add some different value to your clients. And then that way you can have people coming back, always posting different type of things. So again, if I was going to post it, all I would have to do is hit schedule post, and it's set for that day. Now, if you go here and you expand these two dots here, it shows here. So this is going to, post 9:40, which is like right now, pretty much it's posting. And it'll go out. And then I can click on it. It's scheduled, ready to go. And I can edit it if I want to. Just hit edit. Let's say instead of 9:40, I want to do it immediately. And then I post now. And there, now it's posted right now. And see, post is publishing. So now I just posted those 3 places, and it's ready to go, and it's posted right now, ready to go. Now, again, I can hit create a post, or if you see there's a little plus after you expand your calendar, there's this little plus in the corner. You can also schedule it that way. If I go back to schedule a post, we just did the one here for the listings. You can also go here and you can insert a landing page. And here are all the landing pages we've been building with the other videos. So if I want to do an agent attraction landing page, and then right here, it talks about agent attraction. And as you can see, Instagram does not work for this because it has to be a post, like a picture for Instagram. Also, you can see the Google My Business doesn't give you a preview based on the image. So for these two, I would probably take those off, my Instagram and Google My Business. And then this post would just be on Facebook and LinkedIn to get people to join. Unless I wanted to remove this preview and add my own picture. I just grab this house picture, for example, pretend it was something different. For be like a recruiting picture. Then I can turn Instagram and Google My Business back on, and now everybody has this picture. So that's how you can switch out either then if I want to bring back my preview link, I can click right here and it'll bring it back that preview link. But then I got to turn off Instagram and Google My Business because it doesn't have a picture. And people are visually attached to those pictures. And then I could, again, edit it. I can post it for tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. And now it is scheduled for tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. Very simple, very easy to use, and it'll be posted out and be good. And as you can see, it's ready to roll for those 2 places. It's going to post tomorrow. So now I'm going to go back after I already, make sure I schedule the post. Okay, post is scheduled for tomorrow. You can see that. I'm going to open up a new one. The last thing here, this button you can look at is a blog link. So if I open up the blog, I have some blogs put in here. Another video, we talk about blogs and how to do it. We have some blogs in here, like right here, for example, what every first-time home buyer in Texas should know. If I hit next, yeah. Let me get rid of some of I don't know why I gave that weird wording. So we'll fix that wording. And there it is. Now it has my blog link. And this is a preview from the picture of my blog. Again, there's no picture on Instagram or Google My Business, so I turned it off. Only Facebook and LinkedIn are going to post now. And then what would I do? I'd hit edit. We already have one posting tomorrow. So I'm going to post this one maybe, I don't know, maybe Thursday, Friday. I'll do it Thursday. Same thing, I'm going to apply it. Then I'm going to schedule that post. So see, this is how I can easily go through and load up all my posts and get them done. And then they're ready to go. Now I can post stories, reels, whatever I want to post. I can post to any one of those. And then like right here, if I want to, I could tell this AI, you get 3 free ones per day. And like it says, see, 3 AI per day. If you want more, you can. I don't use that very much. I think you can, if you have a lot of landing pages you rotate through, it's fine. But I could also have, make some content. And I could do different open house, whatever I want. I can give me ideas here. I can do my own. And let's say I wanted to do, I don't know, I'll say fire. I want to do a happy face. I could do here all these different emojis. I wanted to 100%, and then it would and all those type of things. Whatever you want to put in there, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do my smiley face, and then it has a smiley face in the post when I start to write it. So you could do whatever you want to with your emojis. You can add in your own picture. I'm going to click here to upload my own picture. I'm just going to grab the one I have before, and there's my picture, and then I can write a post around that picture. Again, or I can do my listings from my broker or anyone that gave me permission. You just click listings, all listings, and just put in the address, and as long as you have permission, it works. Or my links to all my landing pages or my blogs. And then I can schedule my post out for the whole month or however long I want to do it. I recommend, like, say, on the first of the month, take an hour, schedule your post out for the whole month, or an hour or two, and then you don't have to worry about it. And then you're going to be posting to these places automatically without you having to worry about it. Take the time, make it look good, clean it up, and it'll come back to you if you have some activity. And don't do the same thing every day. Rotate through, do a different day. You can do the same theme, like Motivational Monday, Open House Friday, a list of all the open houses every Friday. Whatever you want to do. Thursday could be a featured listing every Thursday for one of the homes on the market. Do something like that, which motivates out, shows people different things, but isn't the same thing regurgitated, the exact same thing over and over. Have something a little bit different to make people a little excited, and that'll go through and people will enjoy that. Go ahead, go get some posts out, get some leads.